Hi, I'm sitting here with artist Atem Aleu, and we're looking at Atem, this small clay sculpture of a cow, and we're thinking about the meaning of cows right now in places like Jonglei province. Traditionally, cows link together people. But what's happening right now in Jonglei? Is the cow a sign of unity, or are cows in some ways creating problems for people?
I think the cow is creating a problem now in Jonglei State. Without cow, I think there may be no problem. Like example, between Anyuag and Murle, there's no any problem more because the Anyuag already gave up their cow to Murle. And between Murle, Nuer, and Denka, there is still a problem because of cow. So because the Nuer people say the cow belong to them, Denka say the cow belong to them, and Murle say the cow belong to them, uh, and the problem is still going on because people come and loot other tribe cow. Yeah, so it's become like a root of the problem in
The problem.
State.
Yeah, so people are fighting over cattle.
Yes.
Now, I know in many Nilotic cultures, people do say there's no problem that's bigger than a cow, that you can always use cows to solve problems. Do you think there's a way to use cows now, the gifts of cows, or art about cows, or maybe sacrificing a cow, that could actually lead to unity between people? Is there a way to take these cows that people are fighting over and say, now they can bring us together?
I don't think so because cow is very important to both three tribes, and it's like in America here we use money, so it's like you cannot give your money from the bank to somebody, so you have to keep you have to keep the money because that's your life. You cannot pay your bill without money. So in Jonglei, people use cow other everything like money for dowry, for anything you need. So if you want to be a rich, you have to have cow, and that's the same thing to everyone. So and people sacrifice them sometime for wedding or ceremony, and also for peace. Always they kill white cow to show there is peace, and also it's just a little peace, but people still break that peace because of cow, because people need more cow.
But we hope that someday soon, maybe when your community center opens in Jonglei, your cultural production art center, that maybe there will be a special ceremony with a white cow, and it will bring people together.
Yes, I hope that. Yeah, I hope that will happen. And that's the main key of doing this culture center because I believe this can unite people together. If the Jonglei people come together in one place and learn about each other, they may think about themselves more than they are thinking about cow. So that will give them a chance to take care of each other instead of killing each other because of cow.
So maybe the white cow should be a symbol for the new community center.
Yes, really, yeah. Yeah.
So that's what we hope, that cows will go from being a source of social conflict and again become a sign of peace and unity.
Yes, and everyone in Jonglei is that like when they are pleasing God or the small God, they always kill white cow. It's showing that it's a peace or to build a relationship between God and them.
Right.
And that is the same thing like when the Nuer and Denka had a peace some years ago. They just kill a white cow also to show there is a unity between.
So the white cow is a beautiful thing. It's a promise for the future.
Yeah.
Okay, well that's really exciting. We look forward to hearing your thoughts about the meaning of white cows in southern Sudan. Please respond. Thank you.